Hey guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. So in this video you will be learning how to paint this landscape with watercolor. I will be guiding you step by step in this tutorial. So first of all, as you can see, you have to make the basic shape of the painting. So here I am making the basic shape of the painting. You can just see the picture of the painting and make the basic shape. It's just a random shape. You don't have to be a perfect to make this shapes, because it all will cover finally when you will paint it. So it's just for the idea. So here, as you can see, I have done with my basic shape. Now the first and the most important step in watercolor painting is to dip your brush in water and wet your painting surface. So now take some blue color and make the sky. And here below I am making the water with blue color. And now it's time to make the mountains with sap green. I am using here sap green. See how the colors are spreading, because there is a water in the base of the painting. That's why the colors are spreading and giving it a nice shading. Here I am making the grass with sap green. Now you can see I have taken yellow ochre and making the land beneath the mountains. And now with ultramarine blue I am giving the shading in the sea and in the water. Again you have to wet the surface before painting it. I have wet the stairs and then I am doing the painting with that yellow ochre only, yellow ochre, and now it's burnt sienna with a flat thin brush, just doing the random shading. Now putting some white. The shading comes alive when you put white and black after effects. So see here I am again doing with the just washing the paper beneath with brush. And now giving some shading with black. With a thin brush. Here I am again putting white. Always remember, when you are painting, I do this thing always in practice. I give the final effect shading with white. in every painting and it looks great. Always use some white color after to give the finishing touch of the painting. See how it's coming out, and now the stairs are looking nice. So it's almost completed now. As you can see, you can try it. I think you will be able to create it very easily. It's not that tough. So here it is, the final piece. Hope you all like it. So thanks for watching my videos, and guys, please subscribe me and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever I post any new videos. So see you in my next video. Thank you so much.